Starting the game with a baseline guess. I will first dismiss the cookie banner, then click the search input, type in section, wait for the suggestions to load, press enter to select the first match, and finally click the guess button to submit. Type card is green for movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 2008. Rating is red with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower than 8.3. There are no overlapping genres: action, adventure, sci-fi, or gray, actors, or directors. The target is an older movie with a lower rating and different genres. Target medium is movie, type is green. Year is older than 2008, red down arrow from 2010. Rating is lower than 8.3, red down arrow from 8.8. Genres do not include action, adventure, or sci-fi. I will guess Titanic 1997, drama/romance to test these constraints and get new feedback. Type card is green for movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 1997. Rating is green, meaning the target rating is exactly 7.9. There are no overlapping genres: drama and romance, are gray, actors, or directors. The target is a movie older than 1997 with a 7.9 rating and does not include drama, romance, action, adventure, or sci-fi genres. Target medium is movie, type is green. Year is older than 1997, red down arrow. Rating is exactly 7.9, green. Genres do not include drama, romance, action, adventure, or sci-fi. I will guess The Nightmare Before Christmas 1993, animation/family/fantasy, 7.9 rating to test these genres and narrow down the year. Nailed it! The answer was The Nightmare Before Christmas, and I got it in just 3 guesses. Knowing it was a movie older than 1997 with exactly a 7.9 rating really narrowed it down perfectly.